Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dhyana Bhavsar with an update on Australia weather. Flash flooding warning, damaging winds alert as serve cold front barrels towards city southwest. Perth is bracing for a wild weekend of destructive winds, heavy rainfall, possible flooding as a serve cold front barrels towards the city and the southwest. The Bureau of Meteorology is expected to issue weather warnings later on Friday, with forecasters warning that the worst of the weather will slam into Perth on Sunday afternoon and evening. Damaging wind gusts of more than 100 km per hour are possible across the metro areas as powerful front swept through bringing sequels. The Bureau of Meteorology is expected to issue weather warnings later on Friday, with forecasters warning that the worst of the weather will slam into Perth on Sunday afternoon and evening. Damaging wind gusts of more than 100 km per hour are possible across the metro area as a powerful front sweeps through, bringing sequel shower, dangerous surf and risk of flash flooding on major roads. Bureau of Meteorology forecasters Jessica Lingard said conditions would quickly deteriorate from Saturday before peaking late on Sunday. We'll start to see winds and showers increases tomorrow before the strongest conditions and the worst of the weather hit late Sunday. She said 6 p.m. on Friday morning. There is a chance of flooding on some major roads because of abnormally high tides and strong winds pushing water up the river system. Areas along Riverside Drive and Queen Freeway near Como, where the freeway runs close to the Swan River, are among the locations being closely monitored for inundation. The system is expected to first smash the southwest coast before surging north towards Perth, with condition only easing into Monday mornings. The rough weather could also wreak havoc for thousands of footy fans heading to Optus Stadium on Sunday night for West Coast slashing against Essendon, with supporters urged to rug up and allow extra travel time. DFES and the Bureau are urging residents to secure loose outdoor items, avoid unnecessary travel during the height of the storm, and keep up to date with the latest warnings. That's all for now. For more weather news update, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather update like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.